All right, once again, trying to finish up everything I want to do on the XJ. Supreme suspension, adjustable track bar, solid heavy duty bracket. I love how it's got the hoe here so I can measure from frame to frame on both sides. If not, you got to allow for that when you're trying to get the width 100% correct, centered under the vehicle. Really nice track bar, wrapped up polyurethane bushing, Heim joint on the end of it. Pretty excited about that. And then some more swag. Let's see what we got in here. All right, nice little koozie. As always, awesome stickers, air freshener, bottle opener, which is great. I was on the phone talking to him and explained that my wife was going to get upset because I kept buying all these products for my Jeep. So what do? Asked me what size shirt to get my wife. So they sent her a gift. So we're going to go upstairs and explain to her what I bought, why I bought it, and then let them know that they provided a shirt for her so she doesn't kill me. So we'll get this on shortly. We've still got the adjustable upper control arms we got to put in. I got pulled away to do a bunch of work on another vehicle, so we'll get back on mine and try to get this all wrapped up hopefully this weekend. One more thing I didn't point out is anytime you buy their stuff, they send you all the new hardware, so you don't have to worry about it. And then it comes with instructions on how to put it together, what tools you need, so on and so forth. So, you know, as long as you're a little mechanically inclined and you can read, shouldn't have any issues. All right, so today I'm going to do the adjustable track bar. Which is basically this piece here. All the instructions tell you to separate your joint from your bracket, but the new track bar I've got comes with a new bracket. So what you got two studs up here you got to back the bolts off of, 3 studs up underneath of it, or 3 bolts, and then you've got one down here at the bottom that has a flag nut on it. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to take that off. This is an adjustable track bar already, but it's old, it's worn. It's not near as good a quality as the one we're getting ready to put on, so I'll show you the process. So here's your new drop down bracket we're going to put in, and the new adjustable track bar with a Johnny joint. Be careful so the inserts don't fall out on you. They do give you hardware for the new connections here, but you need to reuse your factory hardware to install the brace. All right, sprayed it all down with some penetrating oil. You can see a better view up here of the bolts that got to come out, but I'm going to start right here. It's got the flag nut on the bottom of it, so you shouldn't have to hold it, but we'll see. All right, got the new bracket on right now. You want to tighten up the bottom bolts before you do the top ones. All right, so when you get it set up, that's what the hoe in this is for. You want to put your tape measure here to the frame, measure to the outside of your tire, and then get the difference, and then you know how much to split for the adjustment on the Heim joint. All right, by far the easiest part I've put on this so far. Let's see if I can get down here. Got that on. They give you a new locking nut and a washer. Did have to drill it out a little bit to get the new bolt to go in. Fits up here perfect. I'm getting ready to straighten this up, tighten the jam nut. This is all new hardware. Once you get this adjusted to the length you want, the easiest way to get this to work is have somebody get in the passenger side, hold this close, and have them turn the wheel back and forth. The wheels will move the body of the car to get it lined up. So absolutely love it.